Hi viewers, welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to show how you can easily sign up for a Fiverr account in a few easy steps. I will make sure the process is as smooth as possible, so watch the video till the end to get it right. So, to get started, open up your browser and search for Fiverr on Google. Once you land on the Fiverr homepage, tap on the Join button on top right. This pop-up window will show you that you have a few options to create your account, such as Google, email, Apple account, or Facebook, so I am going with the email option. Let me just quickly fill in the email and password fields as per the requirements. Once they are filled, you can click on Continue. Now, you have to pick a username. Make sure it is unique and has not been used already. Click on Create My Account now. After that, for verification, you will get a code on your email. Submit the code here, and then you can start with your freelancing journey. And that's about it. If you want to get started right now, check the link in the description below or find it pinned in the comments. I hope you liked this video. If so, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily tech updates.